You know, I was thinking about it just the other day when I found my keys. I was like, I can now take my keys, take my sled, take my four-wheeler. We can go down to the market, you know, and get some Mountain Dew, and we can get some tobacco, kind of like this one. And we can pack, slap. No. You know, guys, now that I've found my keys to not only the Duramax, but the sled and the Jetta, we're going to have some work cut out for us. Still got to get this thing done, which I have an idea for this thing that I think it's going to blow your mind, but I'm not going to give it away just yet. Just know that this thing is going to look insane by the time that I'm done with this. The idea that I have is like entirely custom, so we're gonna leave that at that. Now this thing right here, it's my baby. This has been my pride and joy since 2010 when I got it, and it's a 1997 Yamaha Vmax XTC 600, and we're gonna clean her up. She's in good shape. She's got just over 2,000 miles for a 97. Very, very clean, quick sled, but there's some things that I'd like to touch up. Get ready to go. Excuse me. I'd like to get all this touched up paint-wise on the side. I like to get the skis touched up and just truthfully just kind of mess around with this thing. But now that I have the keys, kind of want to see if this thing will start up. Appreciate me getting annoyed and pissed off because it doesn't start now. Honestly, it has been a couple months since this thing has been running, so I truthfully don't expect it to start first pull. I already know that's not going to be the case, but we'll give it a whirl here. No electric start, nothing like that, so it's all on, and I'm going to start getting back. Told you it wasn't going to start right away. Round two. Now, God damn it, I smell fucking fuel. Bitch! Good game. Whew. I'm so out of shape. The camera might not make it look like I'm out of shape, but I'm winded. Winded. Why the hell are you not staying down like you're supposed to? You gotta tease me, right? Just gotta tease me. Get it going. Just for a split second. Just slowly tease me. And then guess what? You're gonna fire right up after this one. I hope. I spoke too damn soon. Alright, you're going back to full choke. Miserable bitch. You're a temperamental bitch. guy's gonna kick my ass. Yep. Yeah, hi. Not the sled. Not the sled. Huh? Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that door slam, but well guys, this is gonna be a shorter upload, but I'm glad that this thing got started up. I've actually got a few tricks up my sleeve for this sled for this year. I'm actually looking to get a GoPro so I can take you guys for rides and stuff this year. So if that's something that you guys would want to see, me going on trail rides and just riding through cornfields and dicking around and stuff like that, please comment down below if snowmobile videos from the GoPro are something that you would like to see. As stated before, guys, I am super stoked that I found my freaking keys. We need to get the Warrior done, which, like I said, that is going to be epic. I don't think anybody is going to be able to guess what I'm going to be doing, because it's going to be like a one-off type thing, custom built for this Warrior. The sled we're going to have a good time with. We're going to look to get the Duramax back on the road, and then that Jetta that we've been talking about, I'm actually going to get that thing back on the road too. So we're going to have the Jeep, the Jetta, the Camaro, the Duramax, the Warrior project, which, like I said, it's going to be freaking nuts, and the sled. So I hope you guys are ready for all of this. If this is your first time watching a video on my channel, I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button down below and join us on our journey to 5,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.